Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make drinks in Toca Boca step by step. Begin by opening the kitchen and tapping the drink station to pick a cup and base liquid. Next, choose flavors, ice, and garnishes from the ingredient bar while listening for fun sound cues. Move ingredients with simple taps and swipes and watch reactions to taste changes. Play around to discover silly combos and surprising favorites. Select a base liquid like juice, milk, or soda to set the main flavor, then add mix-ins one at a time so you can taste as you go. Experiment with fruit, syrups, and powders to adjust sweetness and color while keeping the interface simple and playful. Use ice, heating, or blending tools to change texture and temperature, and remember that small changes can make big flavor differences in this creative game. After crafting flavors, pick a fun cup and add garnishes to make your drink visually exciting and appealing to characters. Try layering contrasting colors or repeating shapes to create memorable presentations that match a character's personality. Serve the drink and observe reactions to learn preferences and refine your recipes, making small tweaks until you find combinations that earn big smiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.